Top 3 Inshore Models for Anglers from MAKO Boats. For over 50 years, MAKO Boats has earned a reputation for crafting high-quality, durable vessels designed to withstand both the elements and the test of time. Their cutting-edge innovations, including lightweight hulls, advanced flotation systems, and customizable features, ensure that each model meets the needs of expert anglers. Welcome to today's episode, where we explore the best inshore models from MAKO. We'll examine how these boats are engineered to deliver precision handling and exceptional fuel efficiency, all while providing a smooth, quiet ride ideal for navigating shallow coastal waters. Stick with us to discover which of these top models could become your next trusted companion on the water. Welcome to Harbour Masters, your regular dose of information and updates on the latest boats and the best luxury yachts. The MAKO 18 LTS, ranked 3rd, stands out with its rugged yet refined design, expertly crafted for inshore anglers. Its hull incorporates advanced construction techniques, including lightweight flotation foam, to enhance sound insulation and buoyancy. The rapid planing system transom ensures smooth, quick lift, and exceptional maneuverability in shallow waters, making it ideal for poling, fly casting, and navigating tight spaces. Features such as 6 vertical rod holders, integrated storage compartments, and sleek two-tone high-density vinyl upholstery seamlessly combine practicality with style. A custom-built, corrosion-resistant trailer completes the package, offering long-lasting durability both on and off the water. The MAKO 18 LTS combines compact dimensions with impressive performance. Measuring 18 feet 6 inches, or 5.64 meters in length, with a 7-foot 7-inch, or 2.31 meter beam, and a 25-inch, or 0.64 meter height, it's easy to handle while offering excellent steadiness. Its 11-inch or 0.28 meter draft allows navigation in the shallowest waters. Weighing 1,755 pounds or 796 kilograms, with a 610-pound or 277-kilogram weight capacity, it balances efficiency and capability. Powered by a 115-horsepower ELPT 4-stroke engine and a 28-gallon or 106-liter fuel tank, it reaches speeds up to 36 knots or 41 miles per hour. The 18 LTS delivers notable value, starting at $35,000 US. The 18 Pro Skiff Silver Star Edition elevates the renowned shallow water performance with a host of premium features and a distinctive, patriotic design. Its eye-catching two-tone hull reflects the exceptional capabilities of this special edition. Central to its innovation is the Gen 2 Rapid Planing System hull, delivering swift hole shots and precise on-rails handling across the flats. Equipped with a GPS-enabled Minn Kota Riptide trolling motor featuring iPilot control, it keeps you anchored even in challenging conditions. Additional enhancements include a 7-shark-tooth digital gauge and Wet Sounds 4-speaker stereo, adding entertainment to your time on the water. The 18 Pro Skiff Silver Star Edition spans 18 feet 6 inches, or 5.64 meters in length, with a 7-foot 10-inch, or 2.39 meter beam, offering ample space and excellent sturdiness for anglers. Its 12-inch, or 0.30 meter draft glides effortlessly over shallow waters, while the 25-inch or 0.64-meter height provides a commanding view. With a dry weight of 1,740 pounds or 789 kilograms and a weight capacity of 850 pounds or 386 kilograms, it balances performance with versatility. A 37-gallon or 140-liter fuel tank supports extended trips, while the 175-horsepower Pro XS engine delivers speeds up to 40 knots or 46 miles per hour, making it a standout in its class. Ranked second among MAKO's Inshore models, this boat combines premium features with top-tier performance, starting at $64,000 US. Before we move on to our top choice, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share some of your boating stories and adventures down below. Last but certainly not the least, the MAKO 18 Pro Skiff Backwater Edition is a true inshore powerhouse, crafted for anglers who demand peak performance in the shallowest waters. Its second-generation rapid planing system hull ensures instant planing, making it perfect for skinny water environments. Beneath its rugged exterior and sleek lines lies a host of practical features, including yacht-style non-skid decks, an aerated live well, and customizable fishing electronics. The 360-degree design assures functionality, while the included custom-fitted trailer with disc brakes and LED lights secures hassle-free transport. Built with a fiberglass-infused transom and composite seat substrates, the Backwater Edition offers exceptional durability, wrapped in a sharp, professional finish. The technical specifications of this boat underscore its unbeatable performance. Measuring 18 feet 6 inches or 5.64 meters in length, with a beam of 7 feet 10 inches or 2.39 meters, it offers space and stability. A 12-inch or 0.30-meter draft provides access to both inshore and nearshore fishing grounds. Weighing 1,740 pounds or 789 kilograms with an 850 pounds or 386 kilograms capacity, the Skiff offers excellent balance. A 37-gallon or 140-liter fuel tank for extended range, and a 175-horsepower Pro XS engine with a top speed of 40 knots or 46 miles per hour. The MAKO 18 Pro Skiff Backwater Edition is a top choice for those seeking the ultimate inshore fishing experience, priced from $64,000 US. Which of these top-rated skiffs caught your attention? Do you prefer the sleek performance of the MAKO 18 LTS? Or are you drawn to the powerful features of the Pro Skiff Silver Star or Backwater editions? Perhaps you're considering one for your next purchase. What features matter most to you in a fishing boat? Are you more focused on speed, stability, or flexibility? Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this episode, be sure to like and share it with your fellow anglers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update, and help us bring more exciting content to the community. Until next time, folks, smooth sailing!